SC370-01 in MP C2004. Turn main power off. Open right cover and transfer unit. Image transfer belt is broken. To remove ITB unit, open front cover. 1, 2. Remove these 2 screws. Then pull this cover to open. Unlock these 2 locks. Make sure right cover and transfer unit is open. Now, pull ITB unit to remove. Need to replace a new image transfer belt. If the ITB belt is fine, but the 370 code still comes, then need to clean these 3 ID sensors. After cleaning these sensors, if the error still remains, clean the ITB belt unit.